In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag contacts in GetResponse. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your audience, personalize your messaging, and trigger automations based on what people do. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to find the right contact, and how to apply a tag quickly and confidently. Start on your GetResponse dashboard and head to the Contacts area, then choose Search. This is where you can look up people in your list and prepare to add tags to their profiles. If you have a long list, don't worry. This search view is designed to help you narrow things down fast. To zero in on the right person, open Advanced Search. This lets you filter your list using specific criteria such as the list they're on, their subscription status, recent activity, sign-up source, or other profile data. The goal here is to refine your view so you're only seeing contacts who match what you're looking for. Keep your filters simple and precise so you don't miss anyone. If you think you've overfiltered, clear a condition and try again. Once the results look right, you're ready to select the contact you want to tag. Click the contact's name to open their contact details. This profile view shows you key information about that person, including their activity timeline and any data fields associated with their subscription. You'll also see an area for tags, which is where you'll add your label. Find the tag field in the profile and type the tag name you want to assign. As you type, use a short, clear naming pattern you can remember later, something like interests, life cycle stages, or campaign themes. Consistency helps a lot, so decide on lowercase or title case and stick with it. Avoid special characters and keep tags descriptive but concise so they're easy to scan when you're building segments or automations. When the tag looks good, press Enter. There's no extra save button here. GetResponse saves it automatically. You should see the tag appear right away in the profile, confirming it's been applied. If you notice a typo, you can remove the tag and re-add it with the correct spelling. From here, you can go back to your search results and repeat the process for other contacts as needed. That's all it takes. By using tags consistently, you'll make it easier to segment your audience, tailor your campaigns, and measure what's working. Thanks for watching. And now it's your turn to add your first tag in GetResponse.